train going through their backyard.
Oh no.
That's me.
I know
All
that
right,
vibe.
Memory.
is started, and thanks for everyone for being here. This is lesson 22, and we're having a group meeting quiz. Anything we need to talk about, questions before we get into the quiz?
Nope.
Nope.
I think we're good.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and get into it. Does everyone have it open yet?
Yep.
Okay. We got 1 and 2 done. And number 3, given the linear regression equation, y hat equals blah, 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 blah. What is the y-intercept? What do you guys have?
2.
And for number 4?
1.5.
5.
Okay, and then number 5. What do you guys have for that one?
1.
Man, these are really hard, huh?
I
Extremely
like how
difficult.
it's more like in a downward slope for the end of the semester rather than going up.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, number 6.
Hot dog shape.
Has anybody already plugged all this in?
Okay.
I have, but I missed the last half, and I don't know why. It's probably because I was doing it at 5:30
Okay,
this morning.
which one is X and which one is Y?
So y equals mx plus b is what I remember. So your linear regression, the y-intercept is going to be the one that doesn't have the x or doesn't have the unknown. So for like 3, it's going to be 2. So let's look at number 5. It's going to be your y-intercept is -3, and then your slope is 0.25. Make sense?
Sorry, the train was like really loud right in my ear. So
Yeah, you're good. So if you look at number 5, -3 is your y-intercept, because when x is equal to 0, you're on the x-axis. You're gonna be at 3. No, is it y? Whatever. So when x is equal to 0, that's gonna be your y-intercept is -3. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where the linear equation crosses through the up and down, the y-axis, that's your y-intercept, and then your slope is going to be 0.25. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, on. Oh,
Okay, so number 7.
simple linear regression is appropriate for these data.
And number 8, how many observations are in the data?
I got this one wrong. I got from here on out wrong. I don't know why.
Well, this one, let's see, it's 141. No, never mind. Hang on. Does it say? Doesn't it just say when you plug this in how many there are?
Yeah, it should have been counted.
Right?
Puppy.
Okay, never mind. I can't see it. So let's see. We got 142.
Spencer.
Oh, 138.
Why 138?
Isn't it just the count of how many there are?
139.
Did I just do my math wrong?
Yeah, 139.
Oh, okay. All right, one off. That's 139.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What is the y-intercept? That's
Whoa.
What are you guys getting?
pretty good.
18.69.
Where did you get that?
I just plugged it in to the spreadsheet.
And then where it says, but where did you Where's 18.69 on the spreadsheet?
So it's in H13.
Because I got 1.296, which is wrong. No, I just that just sounds.
Trying to understand.
Try this.
Yeah, so I do two things. I set up, so it gives you that graph right there. So
Uh-huh.
there's a setting that you can put onto the graph that says, like, spit out the slope formula. So, like,
Oh,
on my graph, it says y equals 12.695x plus 18.69. But then it also says it in H13 for me.
but what am I entering in wrong? Because when I put it in, it gives me 1.296 for my y-intercept, and 0.042 is the slope.
You probably, what do you have for your values under explanatory and response? Like, what are your first two numbers on each?
50 and 0.957.
So for my first response variable, I have 50 and then 83.3. And then for explanatory, I have 4.34 and 4.73.
You're missing some numbers, Spencer.
Because my first explanatory. So give me a second. So the explanatory variable x is 50, and response variable is 4.34.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just have it backwards.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, so the score needs to go into the y, and the confidence rating needs to go in as the
Right.
x.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's
solved all your problems right there.
That's stupid that they did that. That in one, yeah.
Yeah, because most of the time, like, whichever one they say first is your x.
No, yeah. I just probably didn't read the instructions right then, and I just copy pasted it as it was. That's why I missed all of it. That's why I missed all this second half. Okay.
That's better.
There we go. That makes sense now. Okay. Sorry, guys.
So number 9 was what?
Number 9 is 18.69.
Yep.
And then the slope.
12.695.
And number 11, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 4?
$69.469. Do we agree with that?
How do you get that, Mitch?
If you look, so cell G18 gives you a spot that you can plug in an X.
Oh, for
and
the
it
x.
has predicted right next to it, and that's it'll
So
spit it
you
out for you.
have 4 there.
Yeah, and then it will spit out in predicted what the value of y should be.
Okay, yeah, that's what I have that too now. Okay, and then 12. The confidence data result from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? And because this is a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted value of y.
So for this one, do you just have to plug 6 into that formula?
I think so.
Does that make sense? Because that's what it sounds like to me, but I'm not sure.
Yeah. Okay. So you just plug the 6 into the formula, and then you just solve for it, right?
I think so. One of the things that the homework does to you a lot is it says calculate it using a calculator and calculate it using a software, and the answers are always different. So if you just plug 6 into the spreadsheet here, it comes out with 94.859. But then if you just like plug in 6 to like any other formula, so you do like y is equal to 12.695 times 6 plus 18.69, then it gives you something different.
So what do we use?
That's my question. I don't know which one it's going to want.
Well, I could put, what do you have for the calculator one? I could try that one, then someone submit, and then see if we get it right.
So for the calculator, I have 95.86, which, yeah. So that's what I have. And on the homework, like it asks you, what does the software tell you, and what does a calculator tell you? So I don't know why it's not doing that here.
Well, maybe we should just go with the software then and just do it the other way.
That might be smart.
Yeah. That's 90. Where is that? Is that the 94,859?
Yeah. Assuming that our thought process is right and that you really are supposed to just plug 6.
We'll find out shortly.
Yeah.
All right, 13. How many explanatory or independent variables are present in a single linear regression?
Isn't it 1?
How many explanatory?
Spencer, any guidance on that one?
I think he doesn't know it. You're muted, Spencer.
He seems to be focused on his phone call at the moment.
Oh, he's on the phone.
Oh, he is on the phone? Oh.
He was explaining something to us.
No, it's hard to tell because like the muted thing like blocks out the fact that he's holding a cell phone, but he's on the phone.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Brett, you think it's 1? Why do you think that? If you don't mind me asking.
I'm guessing here actually.
Oh.
I'll go with that.
Well, could we pull open? Hang on. That looks like a question that would really just come right out of the text.
Homework.
Yeah, I have the textbook up right now.
So if you just control F, like that line.
Hold on.
Sorry about that, guys. Where are you guys at?
We're on number 14.
I
Yeah,
imagine.
good
Sorry,
question.
I had a guy from my ward give me a call asking about getting his daughter a car.
Oh.
So sorry, let me just catch up. So 10 is going to be 12.698
Yeah.
or 695. Excuse me.
Um,
11 is 69.469.
69.649.
No, 6,
469.
469.
And then 12. We're going to go with 94.859. And if that doesn't work, we're going to try the calculator version that makes
Data. Okay. 13.
We're going to try
Wait,
1.
question back on.
Oh, yeah. Which one?
Okay, what did you guys get for question 10?
12.669.
695. I said 698, but like I've said previously, I'm
Okay.
probably I'm dyslexic. Let's just be honest.
Okay.
13. What did you guys get for 13?
That's
We're
what we
going to
asked.
find that in the book, Brooke.
I guessed going with 1 for both 13 and 14.
I guessed with 2 on both of those, and it wasn't 2.
Okay.
So potentially 1 or more than 2.
Here, it says right. Maybe it doesn't say it right there. You want to just try submitting? Oh, yeah. 15.
I mean, yeah, the lazy way out says like we have multiple submissions.
Yeah.
Or
So-
we could all use our brain power and look at the book real quick and probably find the
That's
answer.
what I'm looking in there right now.
Okay.
What did we get for 15?
But Brooke's got something.
Sorry to interrupt for a second.
Oh, you're
Okay,
good.
so under Introduction to Regression, it talks about this provides a powerful tool to model bivariate data involving 2 variables. Regression allows us to write a linear equation that models the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. So I think it's one dependent, 1 independent, because you have 2 total variables.
Okay.
And there was another thing I remember seeing in the text that said it's a step beyond simple linear, and you can use more than 2. So I think 1 is, yeah, I guess just to kind of go along with what Brooke was saying. I remember reading something about that.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just go with 1.
Sounds good. What did we get for 15?
15 we haven't discussed yet.
Okay.
Oh, I think this exact question is on the homework.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you have that open yet?
Hang on, let me open it up again. I can't remember if it was on the homework quiz. Yeah, let me go back to the homework quiz because I think that was right there.
The company in South Dakota.
Oh, it's on. Hang on. I think I know what it's on. Yeah, okay.
The third one?
Oh, so it uses the same wording, and you have to do calculations for this one in the homework. But it doesn't ask you that specific question. Never mind.
Well, it's not number 2.
It might be the third one because they're using a hat to determine the circumference, right? Oh, no, wait, they're given the circumference.
Isn't it number 1?
Yeah, because,
No. Yes?
Let's see how
Because
many.
the size of the hat
Collecting.
would be affected.
Okay. A company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat size, circumference of the hat, and lengths of the major and minor axes. Meaning the company wants to predict the size of the hat given the circumference. What is the response variable? The circumference, because it is being used to predict the size of the hat. Because a response variable is the dependent variable which we can use to predict the value of y for any given variable x. So I think it's number 4.
Yeah, because you'd make
You're using the circumference to predict the size of the hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
So I
you
think it's
pick
number
hats
4.
based on the Yeah, so I
Wait,
agree with
let me
that.
give you. Don't give that to Daddy.
Okay. Does someone want to submit?
I can submit that and see where we're at.
Okay.
Ah, all right. We missed the last one. That's the only thing we missed, though.
So
Brooke, go-
So what did you guess, Spencer?
I guess number 2. So it's obviously has nothing to do with the circumference. It has to do with the size of the hat.
It must be.
I think it's number 1.
What is the
Yeah.
response variable?
All right, I'm going to go ahead and submit
Well,
it
Okay.
with number 1.
I like that idea.
And if it's not, then we know it's number 2. And we should have listened to Brooke
Yep.
in the first place. That was
It's
it,
the
number
first
1?
one. It's the first
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Awesome.
Can we go back through one more time? Hang on.
All right, you ready?
No, hang on.
Number 1, true.
Whoa.
Number 2, true.
Whoa. Okay, true. All right.
All right, you got 2,
Yeah.
1.5.
Wait, 3 is 2.
4 is 1.5.
5,
5 is 1.
6,
6 is hot dog shape. 7 is simple linear regression, the first one.
okay. 8,
8 is 139.
9,
Y-intercept 18.69. 10, 12.695.
11,
11, 69.469. 12, 94.859. Number
13.
13 is 1. Number 14 is 1. And number 15 is the first answer.
Okay, awesome.
Okay.
All right.
Well, it's been fun. Do you guys get grades for the collected
For the what?
for the collected data portion that we submitted?
Check. Did they submit already?
I got 100, and I don't know if that was a group score.
I think that has to be a group score because it's a group project.
Oh yeah, I got 100%.
We each submitted something, I think, didn't we?
Did we have to each submit something?
I did. I thought I saw something that said we were supposed to, but I'm not sure.
I thought it was a group thing. I didn't submit anything.
No, I got a grade on it. Oh wait, but I selected. Yeah, I put in collect the data and I got a grade. You got a grade too, Mitch?
Yeah, I did.
Let me check it then.
Because
Grades.
you get 100.
Yeah.
Okay, so did I. So I don't know if that. I thought maybe that went up to the whole group.
Maybe I should email because Brooke, did you turn anything in? No. Cody, did you turn anything in?
No, you don't. I don't think you need to turn anything in because on the sheet it lists all the participants in the group.
'Cause design the study. I got 100 in. Collect the data. I don't have a grade yet.
Yeah, and you didn't turn in the design the data, so I think
No.
the one person turns it in, and all the names are on the
That's-
list when you turn it in, and then they use that
Who's,
to get
who's
credit.
doing the describe the data? Is that me?
Hang on, I'm looking up the assignment right now.
So the thing that's due this Saturday, I'm responsible for that.
Okay, cool. I don't know how we're supposed to make inferences and take actions on this.
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Demand Mars to require a certain amount every time.
What
And if
what
not,
did we end up
Reject
finding?
them and sell them for cheaper.
Mike, did we end up finding that they have more or less included? What did we have?
Wait, what's that?
What did you end up finding when you put all the data together? Did they end up you having an average of more or less?
Mine, I didn't have an average. I was just here to collect the data, and I think that's what Brooke is working on to describe the data, is what we're supposed to give reference now to what we actually found.
Cool.
Yeah, something like that. I haven't actually looked at it yet.
I think really, Brooke, you could probably just do an average and see what our average is compared to what like Mitch said, and then you can base it on your descriptions. Our average is what they found, or a difference from what they found.
Yeah.
You could
Yep.
just plug it into the spreadsheet and it would spit out all the answers.
Yeah.
And Brooke, if you want me to, I could send you the spreadsheet file so you don't have to retype everything in.
Yeah.
Didn't you already send me what you were going to send me?
No,
Yeah.
it was just a Word document, and I just pasted
Oh.
it. So I'll send you the actual, I think I did it in Google Sheets.
That's
I'll-
fine.
I'll just send you that file. That way you don't have to enter everything back in.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
Do we have a meeting next week?
Yeah, are we getting to the end of these lessons yet?
Yeah, I think next week might be the last week.
Next week is the last week of because there's only 2 weeks after this week, and then so let's see.
So next week we have 2 lessons.
Nope, we have a group meeting in the last week.
Yeah, but
What?
yeah, so group 25 or lesson 25 though will just be that's just
The
fine.
exam.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who wants to do next week?
I can do next week.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Well, we'll plan on seeing you guys on Tuesday.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Okay.
See you later.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.